Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today I have this smoky brown look for you with a pop of colour. My first palette that I'm using is this Tarte palette, and I'm starting off by using the shade Rebel, and I'm applying this into the crease using a fluffy blending brush. I'm just going back and forth in the crease and then extending it out. Next, I'm taking the shade Leader and I'm applying this all over the lid with a flat shader brush. Then taking the same shade on a pencil brush and applying this on my lower lash line and then extending it up at the corners. I'm now taking the shade Funny Girl for my inner corner highlight. Now taking the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner, I'm going to start creating my wing. So first of all, I concentrate on making a straight line across the lash line. And then from the corner of the eye going up towards the eyebrow, I create a first line. And then just above it, I create another line, and this will make a triangle shape. Then I just fill this in and then neaten the whole line up. I'm now going to take the NYX Epric eyeliner in the shade Turquoise Storm and applying this to my waterline. Now I'm going to curl my natural lashes and apply some falsies. Taking the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm taking this blue shade in the corner here. And I'm applying this in the inner corner of my eye, just under the eyeliner, on top of the highlighter that we just applied. Now to finish the look off, I'm just going to apply some mascara to finish the look off. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe. I upload weekly, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!